Hello class. Today we are going to learn how to add and subtract fractions with like denominators. Let's begin with adding fractions. You know that a fraction is a part of the whole. Think of it like a chocolate bar. Each of those little rectangles is a part of the whole. They're all fractions. When we add fractions, we are combining two parts of a whole. Let's do the problem 3/10 plus 5/10. The first thing we do is add the numerators. 3 plus 5 is 8. Remember, when we add or subtract fractions, we do not add or subtract our denominators. This means that we leave our denominator as 10. Our final step is to simplify if we need to. A common factor for 8 and 10 is 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. This means that our fraction is simplified as 4/5. Even though we did this step for this fraction, we will not always need to do it for every problem. We finished adding fractions with like denominators. Let's move on to subtracting fractions with like denominators. The steps for subtracting fractions with like denominators are almost exactly the same as when we add. Let's look at the problem 9/10 minus 4/10. First, we subtract our numerators. 9 minus 4 is 5. Remember, we do not subtract the denominators. We leave it as a 10. Finally, we simplify our fractions if we need to. The common factor for 5 and 10 is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. So our simplified fraction is 1/2. Let's go over the steps one more time. Remember, when we are adding or subtracting fractions with like denominators, our first step is to add or subtract the numerator. We leave our denominators the same, then we simplify if we need to. Thank you for coming. Have a great day.